unit. In the last, well, first half of this video, I got the engine out of the Primera. Started removing everything from the engine bay. The last thing that I have to get out is this clutch cable. I need to get that out from the clutch pedal. And then that's everything from the bay and the wiper motor in that corner. But to get the clutch pedal out, I'm going to take the dash out so I've got a bit more room. The dash needs to come out anyway. So does all the wiring loom and stuff. So it looks a bit of a mess in there at the minute, which it is. And I'll probably never ever remember how to get it back together. But it can only go back one way, can't it? So how hard can it be? Yeah, so just going to continue to take the dash out and hopefully should have a bit more room. Be free. Yes. If you can see that, but the ducting that's on the back of the dash is just obliterated, basically. It's just real brittle. Like, it's literally like cheese. Yeah, proper bad. So, see if we can get hold of another one of them, but I highly doubt it. I need to go and put that somewhere safe so it's not going to get damaged. So, the dash is out. Hopefully I can have a bit more access to that clutch pedal now and other things. I'm going to take the loom out obviously and strip all this down right back to the bare shell. But yeah, that is just, I can't even tell you how brittle that is. I'm pretty sure this stuff, the sound deadening, is asbestos. So when that comes out, I'm going to have to get rigged up, masked up, suited up, gloved up. Not that kind of gloved up, different kind. And yeah, cool. So now I'm going to focus on getting the clutch pedal out of the way and stuff. I might put those bolts back in so I can get that up. To give me more room, but yeah, coming along nicely. Okay, I've managed to get the brake pedal out. I've got the clutch cable attached off the pedal, but I can't get the pedal off the firewall at the minute, so I've sort of like got sidetracked now. Starting to take off the wiring. I've also taken out the bonnet catch and the cable for that, and now I'm trying to take out the wiper motor and the wipers. So yeah, that's what I'm on with at the minute. Okay, so final update on the car before I go home. Taking a bit more of the stuff out of the stuff. For example, I've taken the steering wheel and steering column out. That's over there. I've removed the scuttle, the wipers and the wiper motor from there. The horn and the hood catch, I think I mentioned that earlier. So yeah, got quite a bit accomplished. So the next time I come to the unit, I'm not sure when that'll be, but I'm going to start concentrating on taking the wiring out. I also need to have a tidy up of all this stuff and put it somewhere else because obviously it can't stay there. So yeah, that'll be my next time at the unit. I don't know when that'll be, but I'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Please watch some of the other videos and let us know what we can do differently. What do you want to see? What are you liking? What are you not liking? We're still very new to this, so we're just picking it up as we go along. Do you want to see more of that? Do you want to see more of that? More of that? More of that's coming very soon. You'll have an update, or you will have had an update about these. If you haven't, I'll put a link on screen now. Do you want to see more of this? Do you want to see more of that? Who knows? But yeah. Thanks for watching. Hello YouTube. Back down at the unit again. Working on the Primera. I've got the engine here. Wrapped up and ready to be posted out. So that's good. Next steps for me are to empty all of this stuff out the car itself. And find a place to put all that. And then continue stripping the loom out of the interior. That's probably the next step for me. That's probably the next thing that I need to get sorted. So yeah, it's pretty boring stuff, but it all needs doing. Don't think there's anything else to report. Oh yeah, Pete's third gen. He's got red paint, which is good. Looks pretty good. Nice. So yeah, stick around, watch me faff about with some wiring loom stuff. Boring. Okay, that's most of the car emptied. Apart from those last few bits. Time to start tackling this. Crusty. Oh dear. What the fuck have I got myself into? Should probably have a mask on for this. Yeah, I think I'll leave that bit until I've got a mask because it's a bit near the sound deadening on the firewall. I mean, do we really think that this is going to be fixable? Because I don't know. I don't know if it is. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't look like a lot of progress, but I basically got the loom unattached except for one wire that goes down the back of the heater matrix. I think it comes out at the bottom there, that plug. But I can't get to that without taking all that heater stuff out. And I don't want to do that until I've got a mask on because that's all nasty, nasty shit. So the rest of the loom is like loose. Apart from that bit that goes to the fuel pump, but yeah, all the rest of it's loose. Same on the other side. So yeah, basically I just need to start taking out that heater matrix and I can get behind that, get the rest of the loom out, and I'll get rid of all that sound deadening while I'm in there. But yeah, like I say, ideally I need a proper mask on for that. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this bit. I don't know if this will be the end of the episode or if I'll stick another bit after this, but note to self, I need a new one of those because I broke that. And the bit that was holding it on is now snapped and is like loose in the sill. So that's going to be fun, trying to get that out. Might be able to get it with a magnet. If I go through this bit, there's a big hole in there when that's out, so I might be able to get it that way. But yeah, coming along nicely. Still looking very rusty. That bit's scary. I don't know if you can see, but it looks pretty bad in there as well. It's just bad everywhere in it. I mean, let's be honest, it's fucking appalling. So yeah, until next time.